Hello and welcome back, everyone. Let's create a nail design. First of all, let's prepare our nails. File the old nail design. Apply nail polish remover to a cotton ball and place it on top of the nail and cover it with aluminum foil. Wait 15 minutes and then remove the gel. Next, let's remove the cuticle and the shine of the nail. After this, I'm going to apply some nail oil because the nail polish remover did dehydrate my skin. Next, let's apply nail dehydrator and wait for about 2 minutes, and then let's apply base coat and take it to cure for about 2 minutes under UV light. Now let's have some fun with dip powder and base coat. Let's create a gel that we're going to be using for our base. Next, let's place the nail forms onto the nail and applies the gel solution to the nail. With a brush, just gently work the material to create the shape that you want and take the nail to cure under UV light. My next mixture is going to be a transparent mixture, which I'm going to be applying to 2 of my nails. Next, let's draw a reference line with black nail polish and cure the nail. Once again, let's create a mixture with white dip powder and base coat and apply it to the nail and gently shape it with a brush and cure the nail. My next step will be to apply black color and take it to cure for about half of the time so that the mixture is sticky, and then we have the chance to adhere this material to the nail, and then just top it off with a layer of the same transparent color and cure the nail. Let's file away our nails and make sure we get every part of the nail filed. After cleaning the nail, let's proceed to apply top coat. After applying top coat and curing the nails, let's apply some nail oil to hydrate the nails. This is my final result. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think about this nail design in the comments. And thank you for your support and have an amazing week.